Oh, I noticed the hummingbird feeder was low. We should go change it.
Go change it.
Yeah. So today I got my little guardian helper. He's gonna help me make some hummingbird nectar. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first step, you just need a little measuring pot.
Okay.
So this is what we're gonna put the stuff in.
Okay.
Next, you're gonna need a measuring cup.
Okay.
So right here we got 1/4 cup. That's probably what we're gonna need. This will make a decent size. Right here you got 1/8 cup, but that'll make a smaller batch. Maybe if they're not feeding on the nectar too much. Yeah, scoop it like that.
Okay.
So you just need the sugar.
Okay.
And we're gonna scoop it all the way to the top. There you go.
And then put it in the pot.
Yeah, put it in the pot. Maybe just a little bit more because it wasn't really all the way. Just a little bit. Okay, there you go. All right, good job.
Okay.
So that's 1/4 cup sugar. So now we just need to put in 4 parts water to the 1 part sugar. So this is the 1 part sugar. Now we're just gonna put in 4 parts of the water. So using the same measuring cup, you're gonna put in 4 of these. Okay, let's go. All right, 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. All right, you got it. So now we just need to heat it up a little bit and stir it so the sugar will mix with the water, and then we'll let it cool down, and then we'll serve it to the hummingbirds. All right, let's heat it up.
Okay.
Here, watch out.
Okay.
All right. Put it on a low setting so it won't be too hot. Okay. And then we just stir it. Here, you want to stir it?
Yeah.
There you go. All right. Just keep doing that until it dissolves. Turn it off right away.
Okay.
Let it cool down.
Okay.
You got all that? Yeah? Good?
Yeah.
All right. And there it is, fully dissolved. No more sugar, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like just regular water now.
Yeah, just regular water.
All right. Good job. So since this one's dirty, luckily, we got a backup.
Good, back up.
Bam. Right there. Yeah, we got another one.
Wait,
So we're going to put that in here, okay?
Wait.
You ready?
Okay.
All right, let's go. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Here, right here.
Okay.
It doesn't come out of there.
Okay.
I got to help you, okay? You got to hold it straight, though, okay? All right. 2 hands.
Okay.
There you go. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. That's it.
Okay.
And then we're going to put the lid on.
Okay.
There you go. Almost. Yeah. Okay, there you go. That's how it should look.
Okay.
So yeah, we just put it upside down, but not right now. Hold on. When we go outside, okay? So let's go outside.
Okay.
Let's go. All right. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. All right, put it back
Okay.
for good old Mr. Hummingbird.
Okay.
Okay, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go. There you go. And there's the finished product. There you go. baby bird. Just hanging out. I can almost touch him. Hey, buddy.